right, time to take a look at the Thinkware dash cam. So this is probably the neatest thing about it. This is a very tiny dash cam. On the side we got our speaker. On the top we got a hanger. We also have DC in, so this is where it gets power. On the side we got a GPS port and the video in, so this can be for the rear camera. On the back we got our LED lights, we got a record button, and we got a Wi-Fi button. Then on the bottom we got our micro SD card slot. We got a nice thick manual. That's cool. We got our GPS, so this is just going to plug right into the side. We got our mount, so this will loosen up. And it sounds like it's got teeth on there. Yeah, so that'll lock in place nice and firm. And we got 3M VHB on the bottom, so very strong stuff. So all we'll do is take this guy and slide it on, which is cool because what that means is at any point if you need to slide it off, you can just take it off. Here's our rear camera. So this has got the same adhesive to stick it to the rear window, and you can slide this around whichever direction you want. Plugs in with a micro USB port right there. So this is cool. This actually comes with a hardwired dash cam kit. So this will plug into the camera. We got our ground terminal, and then we got our constant power and our accessory power. This is cool. So we got both styles in this, but if you just want to get it running right now, we got a car outlet adapter, a nice long cord on it too. And then this is the wire for that rear dash cam. This will plug right into here. We got a nice long cord to run up to the dash cam. That will plug in right there. Cool. So that's the whole thing. And of course, if you don't want the rear dash cam, you can unplug that. If you don't want to have the GPS, you can unplug that. If you get pulled over, you can use that as evidence. So very nice having that. Oh, that's nice. That actually came with an extra adhesive pad and 3 more for the rear camera. So plenty. Ooh, now this is actually pretty cool. So it actually comes with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. So we'll plug that right into the bottom. So yeah, I love that this comes with all these accessories. I really like, most cameras don't come with both this and this. So the fact that this one does is actually really nice. Most of them just come with this and you got to buy that separately. So that is very cool. So the only thing that's left now is just to hook it up and then see what it looks like.